こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌です。今日はね、キレる。What does the word キレる means in Japanese? Today we are here to explore numbers of ways to use キレる in Japanese. So let's get it started. キレる According to jisho.org, it has 16 different meanings. Wow, there's a lot. I'm going to highlight top 3 ways of using キレる. Number 1, run out. I think I use this the most often myself. Example sentence. 牛乳が切れる。牛乳 is milk. 牛乳が切れています。I have run out of milk. 牛乳が切れています。牛乳。あった。I actually found it. 牛乳。But if it was empty, 牛乳が切れています。I have run out of milk. お、ミルクが切れています。ミルクが切れています。Number 2, to be sharp. Example sentence. この包丁 is kitchen knife. この包丁よく切れる。This kitchen knife cuts well. この包丁よく切れる。You can also say that someone is quick, smart, or sharp. あの人は頭が切れる。あの人は頭が切れる。頭 is your head. Your head is sharp. Number 3. To snap or cut off.I don't have phone, so let's pretend this is your cell phone or mobile phone. If you're making a phone call, suddenly it's cut off. 電話が切れる。電話が切れる。Phone line or connection is being cut off. 電話が切れる。もう電話が切れた。You can use this for people like あの人切れた。In this case, this person has lost his temper or lost her temper or got angry. あの人切れた。Today we explore the top 3 ways to use the word 切れる in Japanese. Number 1. 牛乳が切れた。牛乳が切れた。I ran out of the milk. Number 2.To be sharp or cut well. この包丁はよく切れる。This knife cuts well. この包丁はよく切れる。Number 3. To snap or cut off. Like 電話が切れる。The phone connection's been cut off. 電話が切れる。Or you can flip or lose one's temper like あの人切れた。あの人切れた。Please make your own sentence using 切れる in the comment below. I would love to see your creative way of using 切れる. Thank you always for watching. またね。じゃあね。Just quick note about this beautiful world. This beautiful world is made by Mr FoxQC. お邪魔しています。Thank you so much. It's really beautiful and there's lots of gimmicks here. One of the impressive things is this amazing swimming pool. I can't imagine going into a swimming pool like this in real life. That would be very scary if...Oh my god, the bottom is clear like this. My goodness. And the scenery, 夜景 is really beautiful. Such a beautifully made world. So if you have a chance, please come and visit the world and experience this beautiful VR world. Thank you always for watching. またね。じゃあね。